I have some clients with the ability to put 40% down on a purchase, but they want to only put 20% down. Why? Well, because they want to remain liquid. They want to have that money set aside just in case. And of course, I took that thought and I'm like, I don't know if that's the best use of your funds. So as an advisor, I wanted to present them with some options. And so here's what I came up with for them. In the first column here in this total cost analysis, it shows what it would look like if they put 20% down. $500,000 purchase, $100,000 down means that their loan amount is $400,000. Interest rate is roughly 7.5% these days. So their payment comes out to almost $3,200 a month. That's just what it looks like, okay? Now, let's say they put 40% down, but after they put that 40% down, they turn around and get a home equity line of credit for $100,000. This allows them to not be charged interest on that 20% until they need to have access to that money, which is the same as tapping into your savings account, right? So what it would look like if they just got the house, put 40% down, and then turned around and got a HELOC for 20%. That loan amount is $301,500. Reason why is because HELOCs do come with closing costs, so about $1,500 that you can finance into there. And then the monthly payment drops from almost $3,200 to $2,500. This is a savings of about $700 a month. Now, let's say in the worst case scenario, you absolutely need $100,000 right now. And instead of taking it out of your savings account, you write a check from your HELOC to pay this $100,000. Obviously, you don't want to be paying interest on that, but conversely, if you have the money in your savings account, you're technically paying interest on it because it's not going towards buying down the loan amount on your mortgage. So either way, you're going to be paying interest. That's what I'm saying. So what would the payment look like? Well, HELOC interest rates are a little bit wonky and they vary from credit union to credit union, but I guessed about 8.5%. So if you had to fully index that HELOC, your loan amount would shoot right back up to $400,000 and that payment would come out to $3,209. Now, check it out. That's roughly the same as if you had put only 20% down, right? If you only put 20% down versus 40% down with a fully indexed HELOC, the monthly payments are roughly the same. So therefore, for every month that they are not utilizing this home equity line of credit, they are saving $700 a month. And by the way, I get paid less if you do this, right? I don't get paid on HELOCs, and I get paid on the loan amount, which means if you put that extra 20% down, then that's 20% less of my paycheck that I make. This is purely an advisorship role that I'm taking on here and helping people with the smartest financial decisions. Now, another great thing that you can do is talk to a financial advisor. That financial advisor will help you weigh these decisions, but this tool right here can help you at least bring up the topics. So I hope that this helps you with your clients and with you if this is you yourself, and I hope that you have a great rest of the day.